Welcome back to my Gammy's channel. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And also follow her on Instagram on the Natural 201. Mwah.
Alright guys, I am here using the spraying my hair down with some aloe vera oil, some aloe vera water, and some bottled water in my Pattern Beauty mist spray bottle. My hair is old and I want to get some of this buildup off of it, so I'm going to use this apple cider vinegar hair and scalp rinse. I have never done an apple cider rinse before, and I thought I'd try this out. I got it from Marshall's, and I saw a video of this on YouTube, and it said it does some sudsing, but it is more of a rinse, and I thought I'll try because it's a cleanser also. So it is breaking up the buildup on my hair. It is clumping my curls, and I really like that. And I'm spraying some more water to give me more friction or to smooth it in my hair. And it even feels good on my scalp. And it's supposed to be for your scalp, and it really feels great. And I like it. So I'm going to rub this in and work it down to my roots. Excuse me, not work it down to the ends of my hair, the most oldest part of my hair. And I really like this. And look how easy my fingers are going through my strands. Going to put a little bit more, rub it in. They say you can use this instead of a shampoo. I mean, all I can do is try it and see how it goes, but this is an amazing product. I will continue to use it. And Nature Love did a good job when it came to this apple cider rinse. Now I have worked it through. I'm going to wrap myself with a towel because it's dripping really wet. And I am going to use the apple cider vinegar conditioner. I have already rinsed out the rinse, and now I'm going to use the apple cider conditioner. It has no parabens, no sulfates, none of that. It's a Nature Love. It is real clean, curly girl friendly product. It is melting into my strands. Look at my hair clumping like I don't know what. I am enjoying this. I love this. I will be using this for a while. I've been using this now. This is my third time using this conditioner. It is a great detangler. It has great slip, and I truly love it. I never thought that I could find something this well at Marshall's, but I did, and I think I paid $8.99 for it. It is regular $14.99, and it's a great product. So continue to watch while I work it through my strands.
近点，别假装害羞。Closer, baby。放轻松，忘了你的教育。别刻意，别刻意，别刻意。我在你心里作怪，你的心跳蹦蹦蹦蹦蹦蹦跳得特别快。我不是比坏男孩，我会 make you feel alright. Baby, baby, feel my vibe. Baby, baby, feel my vibe. Me beat me, you beat you. I've been naive, you been a fool. Me beat me, you beat you. Broken relationship is fine, baby. I have nothing to lose.
'All right, ladies and gents, here is the final result of using the Nature Love apple cider vinegar rinse and conditioner. I like it. I got a lot of moisture. I got volume on the first day hair. Let me move this around, guys. Sorry. My shape is holding up when it comes to my DIY unicorn haircut. So I am pleased and highly favored with this hairstyle today. So if you are interested in the Nature Love apple cider vinegar, I got it from Marshall's off of their beauty product for sale line. You can find it at Amazon. The most I paid for it was between $8.99 and $14.99. So check it out. Love it. They got a tea tree conditioner I want to try out next. So I really like this product. Conditioner was very smooth. It melted in my strands. It did really well. The rinse, it suds a little bit, not a lot. And there is a shampoo to go with the conditioner, but I did not get it because they didn't have it at Marshall's. So I will probably get that off of the Amazon website. So here is the results I have. Definition like I'm galore. I'm gonna come out here and light some. There's some more definition you can see. I like it. I do. We'll be using it for now on for a while. And I also still use the Cheb butter that I got from the Essential Body Bar, I think it's called. So if not, I'll put it in the description box if I can't remember the name. So here it is at the bottom. And guys, look at my little hand sanitizer my husband put up on the wall. He's such a he's so good to me. But here we are, and I really like it. So thank you for the love and support. Remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.